whatever needs you have here in BF Homes, especially in water. That is why on August of 2008 ata yun, with Diana Quiroz, I think Diana nandun ka, no? And Mr. Watas during the public hearings, we passed a resolution authorizing the mayor to use his police powers, and eventually nabuksan po ang Maynila ng pipe-laying. But nagkaroon ng problema, nagkaroon ng injunction, and of course with the efforts also with the homeowners, with the mayor and Congressman Roy Logoles, our dreams of having water here in BF Homes finally will come true. So muli po, magandang hapon sa pagkakataon. Consel Rico Goles po, more power to all of you.
Muntik na ako magkamali, sasabihin ko sana Congressman Rico eh. Pero next term pa pala yun. No? So, Councilor muna. No? No? So at this point, I'd like also to recognize some people who also has been helping us. I would like to recognize a lawyer who have been very supportive in our walk for water. And she is our rehabilitator for UBFI, no? And she's really been very passionate about supporting not only UBFI but the whole village. Si Attorney Linda Jimeno. Thank you very much. And of course, na-mention na rin kanina ni Councilor Rico, some of those people who have been working on this for many years, si Hernan Watas, no? Of course, matagal nang ginagawa ni Hernan itong career niya na magkatubig tayo, no? And at this point, I would like to call on the man behind UBFI. He's been giving us direction. He's been very supportive of all our efforts. And I think what UBFI is today is really because of his leadership, and I'd like to call on Leon Arceo.
Thank you, Tony. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Sa ating rehabilitation receiver, Linda, Congressman Goles, Councilor Goles, and members of the board. Pinag-aralan po namin na nangyari. Kung susundin nyo yung mga events, parang may nagsabi sa akin, merong nag-guide divine intervention. Sapagkat hindi natin akalain na ganung kabilis yung mga pangyayari. We were prepared for a long fight, a long battle. And yung inumpisahan natin noong August 15, napag-usapan namin yan sa board, ito umpisa pa lang. Pero alam nyo, yun ang nag-serve ng catalyst. Pagkatapos nung Walk for Water rally natin, lahat fell into the right places. In less than 2 weeks, nalit yung injunction, yung lifting ng injunction nangyari September 2. Doon mismo sa meeting noong task force na na-organize because of the initiative of Congressman Goles. Ibinigay yung kopya doon sa committee nung yung presidente ng BFO. Gulat kami. So, yun ang made it possible na lahat tayo makakapitan ng tubig. And if I would like to go through the list, ang unang-una talaga na malaking contribution ay tayong lahat na homeowners nung ipinakita natin sa buong BF at sa buong Manila ang ating unity, ang ating determination na ipupurso natin yung magkaroon tayo ng tubig. So, big applause to all the homeowners. And of course, ang pinakamalaking nakatulong sa atin pinakamalaking tulong na nagawa ay si Congressman Goles. Yan ang nag-umpisa ng series of events that eventually led to the lifting of the suspension. Nasabi rin ni Congressman Goles, Congressman Valencia, Congressman Bagatsing, napasalamatan na natin sila. Nagtaka rin kami, and siguro kayo nagtaka rin, yung suporta ng media. Itong suporta ng media parang nag-umpisa sa kanila. I mean, hindi natin sila pinilit. Kaya makikita nyo after the rally, sunod-sunod yun. Almost every day, may lumalabas sa dyaryo. Sa Star nga, lumabas pa tayo sa editorial. So, yung ganong publicity talagang exerted a great pressure sa mga decision makers. Ang isa na dito is GMA himself. So GMA also played a role na matuloy na itong pagkabit ng tubig sa atin. So napasalamatan din namin yung managing editor ng Star kasi kahit hindi kami nagre-request na palabasin tayo sa dyaryo, lumalabas ng kusa. It's very well covered. Maraming nakadinig sa inyo sa radyo, maraming nakapanood sa inyo sa TV. Yung kay Anthony Taberna, Nakalye, that's really an eye-opener for a lot of people who are not aware of our problems here. So,
yung columnist na Manila Standard.
Okay. At saka yung columnist na Manila Standard. Out of the box. Out of the box. And yung huling column niya na idinivote niya sa ating problema, ang title nun ay What is it to be a hero? And siguro marami sa inyo nakatanggap na. And enumerate din niya ron yung mga heroes. And of course, special mention doon tayo lahat. Tayo yung mga heroes. So, maganda ang nangyari. And babalik ako, ito hindi mangyayari kung hindi lahat ng taga rito sa BF Homes ay nagkaisa para masolve yung problema natin sa tubig. So, sa ngayon naman po, I'll take this opportunity na bigyan na rin kayo ng